Hey guys, it's Cameron at Crucible Outdoors. I'm going to put two videos following this little thing. First is a little more versatility of the hammocks and why I love them. Second is the very next day where I woke up and we were at 6 inches of snow. So, I checked the YouTube counts today and we are at 181, so we're 19 away. 19 away from 2 people winning hammocks. Check the videos that follow this one and let me know what you guys think. I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm over here at a family dinner and I can definitely tell that these nieces and nephews follow after me. Just so you can see, just got done eating and they both decided to come chill in the hammocks. Braxton, where you at? Poke your head out, kid.
He's hiding.
There he is.
He's hiding.
Yet again, one other reason that these hammocks are sweet. Emmy?
Yep.
Do you like it?
Yep.
Atta girl.
It's comfortable.
Emmy, what do you think of those hammocks?
We're very comfortable.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what are we doing right now?
We're chillaxing.
After what?
Dinner.
Yeah, right? All
yeah,
right.
buddy.
That's my niece, Emily. She's tied off way over here and then on top of the X. Man, look at that cloud. That thing is gorgeous. That's pretty. That's a pretty sunset.
Yeah, it is.
And then Braxton, we got Mr. Braxton over here, chillaxing as well. Brax, show me your face.
No, I'm napping.
What do you think of him?
Comfy.
Comfy, huh? Brax tied off to a tree as well as to the Xterra. Alright. So here in Utah, yesterday, it was 60 degrees and I was relaxing in my hammock. Today, I woke up and we've got over 4 inches of snow. Don't know if you could see that. I put my phone up to this part right here. Right here. That's 5 inches. 5 inches. 65 degrees, hammock weather yesterday. To middle of winter today. What's today's date? February 22nd? February 22nd. February 21st, I was in my hammock. February 22nd, I'm running my snowblower.
30 degrees.
Tell them that.
30 degrees. Light snow and fog.
And this is some heavy snow. Look at this. We've cleaned our porch off twice. Look at this.
Oh, get it.
Look at this.
Get it. Get it.
Shovel is sideways. Show them the shovel sideways. That shovel is sideways. It's not coming off. That's a great butt shot. Look, what's this? It's insane. This is an insane amount of snow. It is still snowing. It's still coming down.